Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to anonymously browse Reddit on PC. Browsing Reddit anonymously on your Windows allows you to view content without linking activity to your account. This can help protect your privacy while exploring posts and communities. In this guide, you'll learn how to browse Reddit anonymously step by step. To begin, turn on your Windows PC and connect to the internet. Open your web browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Then open a new incognito window by clicking Ctrl plus Shift plus N in Chrome, or open an in private window by clicking Ctrl Shift plus N in Edge browser. Now, in the private window, go to the Reddit website and make sure to do not log into your Reddit account. Then browse the homepage anonymously by clicking the home button. Use the search bar to find topics or communities. Once you type, click on any subreddit to explore the post. Avoid signing in if prompted. Now, close the private window when finished browsing. Clear browser history if you used a regular window. Restart your browser to ensure the session is fully closed. For extra privacy, you can also use the VPN while browsing. That's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.